Hi, welcome to ADI Technical Training. I'm Matthew. Today I'm in our technical lab at our UK hub in Chadderton, Manchester. Okay, let's get started. In this video we're going to look at how you would add the app to a Dahua IP video intercom. I'm using the VTH 2421 series of video handset. So before you start you need to download the app, so go to your app store and download DMSS. I'm using the iOS app in this case. Now go to your handset and at the bottom there where it says monitor, you simply press and hold the monitor button and that will take you to the menu for the door station. Once in that menu you can see the white box there, that's for your door station, and in the middle you get a little icon of the QR code. So press and hold that and that brings up the QR code for the device. Now open the app in your phone. At the top click on new and then click on scan, and that will scan the QR code, bring you up this connection information here, and then you're ready to go. Your app's installed and it's configured, and as long as your device is connected, your intercom's connected to a device with a router and broadband, you can now receive calls on the app. Installers rely on ADI. The ADI projects and technical teams offer a pre-configuration service. Any project size from a single device or to a complex system. Any IP device can be configured from our central hub using our technical and project teams. Having your device pre-configured will save engineers time on site. We can set your IP address, the gateways, and in addition we'll make sure your device has the latest firmware on board. Simply get in touch with your ADI sales contact or email the projects team. Thanks very much for watching. All the products mentioned in this training video can be found on our website. Links are below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.